Query by designation. This query trigger enables the user to find companies based on the designations of their board members or senior management. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger using an example. Suppose we want to select those companies that has board members in the year March 2014 whose designation is chairperson and director. Please follow 6 simple steps to do the same. To conduct a search on this query trigger, you need to first select the appropriate tab from the top. Let us click on Query by Designation tab. Designations are standardized for variations in spellings and style. The designations are organized alphabetically. You can select multiple designations by clicking on its checkbox. The first step is to click on the checkbox of Chairperson and Director. The second step is to select the indicators from the Select Indicator box. Let us select the indicators Board Meetings Attended, Salary and Designation category. The third step is to enter the appropriate date for which the specified condition holds true. The default selection in the Query on Dates box is All, which implies all dates for which such data is available. Let us enter 2014-03 in the Query on Dates box. The date formats used in the Query on Dates and in the output dates are explained in the question mark icon just above the Query on Dates box. The fourth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSC. The domain All Companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Provis database, and the domain Companies in Current OSC will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the output sheet. Let us select the domain All Companies. The fifth step is to select the appropriate output destination from the Select Output Destination box. There are 3 formats possible. The first is the OSC format, which lists the names of the companies matching the criteria specified in the query trigger. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays the company names along with director details. The third output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data in a text file. The location and the name of the text file can be changed by you. The default file name is mentioned under File Name. Let us select WS as our output destination. The sixth step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to run your query. Since we have selected All Companies as our domain, we can select any one of 3 execute options. These are Add to Current OSC and WS, Send to New OSC and WS, and Replace Current OSC and WS. Add to Current OSC and WS will add the list of companies which have satisfied the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Send to New OSC and WS will create a new OSC and WS of companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Replace Current OSC and WS will replace the contents in the current OSC and WS with the companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Let us click on Send to New OSC and WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that 2 outputs, OSC and WS, have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. Provis IQ will display the companies and the board member names which are satisfying the criteria given in the query trigger. The criteria given in the query trigger was Chairperson and Director category for the year March 2014. It also gives the list of companies which match the criteria given in the query trigger. To view the output sheet of companies, click on Output View Workspace and view the current output sheet.